don't swipe. Watch this video if you don't know how to do hand over hand. Good evening, everyone. It is 10 p.m., June the 21st. Question for tonight is this one right over here. Is it necessary to do hand over hand? Yes, it is. Let me show you how. Some people turn like this. That's not hand over hand. Some people turn like this. That ain't hand over hand as well too. Now let's do it the proper way. Hold your steering wheel at 10 and 2 or 9 and 3. Always turn using the opposite hand. So if I'm making a right turn, I start turning with my left hand, I bring my right hand to the 12 o'clock position, and then I keep switching, keep going to 12, 12, 12. And now for the left turn, get my right hand, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. So just like this. And after you complete your turn, you just release your hands and the steering wheel recovers by itself. So basically, just like this. That's what's up. So smooth. Yay! Follow for more driving school content.